guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you very simple and easy hairstyle. I know there are a lot of people who's complaining that and they don't like the back combing when we back comb a lot. But for this hairstyle, we need to back comb because we need to have unique and interesting shape that we desire to have. And when we're back combing, we don't just making it like very tough and very hard. It's really soft, and we're gonna use different products to maintain, to support this hardness and volume. So we're gonna use powder. So what we're gonna do with this ponytail, as you can see, I already split like this and I have already ponytail. And I leave 2 fingers from the under. Why? Because we need to form this element, this form right here. I'm taking very gently like this, not too much here, okay? And after that, I'm using powder like this, all the way down, all the hair. I'm using powder, and then I'm working very gently, holding this hair very tight, but with this hand I am working very gentle. It's not too hard. I'm not just pushing too much, yeah? I'm just leaving this hair, and I'm doing the same thing on the top side. And then I'm opening it, splitting it. Why we need this? Because when you split it, then you can hairspray a little bit more, and you will hairspray each hair that you were teasing, that you were back combing, right? So we're doing hairspray inside and outside. We need to apply it like that. Don't afraid to use too much, okay? And then we take another hair, same thing. And we're taking all this hair like this, very gently. We are wrapping it our 12 fingers like that. And then I'm holding very tight, okay? And rolling it like this. Very good. It's very tight. I'm pulling it, okay? So we need to pull it even. All this hair should be evenly pulled. And I put to my finger inside and trying to open it and make this S line. So now we have the perfect form that we were desired. So if you want to have very beautiful form and right shape, you have to hold your hair like this and use powder, and you need to push it till the head, and then you will have some force from the head and you will have this beautiful shape, okay? So as you can see, I'm taking these hairs one by one because then I will have more control. And if I need some volume, I can back comb a little bit extra and then clean up and then put it, okay? So I won't lose the volume that I was creating. It's very important also. Last hair should be more clean, okay? And I'm brushing on my hand, so I'm not putting it. I'm brushing on my hand, and then I will have more big volume. So when we are covering this back combing hair, the hair which is on top should be super tight, close to the hair that you're covering, okay? It's like this. So you hairspray inside and outside, and you literally pushing it like that, very strong, okay, very close. And then you can put bobby pin or pin. I mean, I'm putting mostly pin because it's more easy to fix it. And then the ends you can fix with the bobby pin. And at the second, as you can see, I'm not taking too much hair. I'm taking little piece, little sections, and then it will be more easy and it will be more tighter. This is the most interesting part of this hairstyle, okay? Just look. We split this hair from the middle section. And look how we're gonna split this hair, okay? At the first, I wanna split like this, not just vertical, not horizontal. It goes like that. Okay, so you can a little bit back comb to give this direction, okay? Not too much, we don't need too big form or line. So we have very smooth hairstyle here, and that's why I want to give a little bit texture here, and that's why I'm a little bit opening it and giving extra lines, okay? Little lines, not too much. I'm gonna fix it right here. Same thing I'm gonna do it here, okay? But another side. So we're gonna do the same separation, same line from another side, but now we're gonna cover this, and I'm gonna show you one extra secret. And as you can see, I'm fixing this hair a little bit earlier than this one. So I'm putting this hair to the top, the pin that I was putting before, okay? It's very important that you go like chest. One by one, you cover each hair. Here's the secret. Why we're doing these liners like this, like 45 degrees, because it's very easy to cover, to close these liners like that. See this? You just put it, and it's more easy. If it's like straight liners, then it's more difficult.